mistakes you're making in your Zoho CRM build. Hi, I'm Avon, CRM and Marketing Automation Specialist at Relevate, and today I'm going to be talking about the mistakes that we see when people are building out their Zoho CRM. A lot of these mistakes seem okay at the time whilst you're building out your application and you think that you're doing it the right way. All of a sudden, you realize you're missing something. You can't add more fields, you can't click certain things, workflows stop working, automations stop working. It's really important to get the right foundations when building your Zoho instance. Sometimes those mistakes made early on can really cause problems for you down the track, and that means expensive rebuilds, having to reconfigure the system, exporting information, re-importing information. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the mistakes to avoid so that you can save time and money in your build. This is the worst thing that you can do in your CRM, and you should avoid it at all costs. And that is trying to build everything off the contact record. Quite often we see people, they don't really understand the major parts of the system or why it exists. And you might think, I've got a simple business or I only deal with contacts. But if you miss using the system architecture the way it's designed to be used, then you miss out on so many features of functions. We had one organization, quite large actually, had someone come in and tell them that they needed to do everything off the contact record. Next thing you know, we're triggering workflows on top of workflows, and you make one little change over here and it affects the entire chain of things in the process. So ideally, by having your leads, contacts, accounts, and deals, now you can break down those separate elements into reportable things, but you can also then hang different things off those elements. For example, on the deals module, you can now add products. Off those products, you can now add timelines to delivery. But if you're trying to do everything on the contact record, you can't go that advanced. And once you do try to go that advanced, now you're running out of fields. Now you're running out of API limits. You're running out of workflows. You just cannot do anything with the system on the contact record. You are not using the power of the system at all, and it is incredibly frustrating to try and break it again to then rebuild it the way it's supposed to be built. So that is the top worst things that you can do in your Zoho CRM. If you've done any of those, or even if you think you've done any of those, and you want to check, reach out to us. You can work with us by clicking the link in the description. If you need a bit more help, join our Relevate community. We do weekly meetups, we do screen shares. If you've got a question, you can ask us there, and then we'll either create a video for you or we'll answer you in the comments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a like, a subscribe, and let us know what you thought in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and if so, you might also like to watch this video.